Okay? Hey, you guys need to be quiet back there, unless you're talking to Mr. Schluter. All right, hold on here. 3x plus 4. All right, then what do I do? Yeah, you plug in the cord and see if it's true. So you take 3 times 2 plus 4 times negative 2, and we see whether it equals 4. Well, that's 6 plus, what is that, negative 8? 4 times, or no, wait, I wrote that down wrong. Hold on, I wrote it down wrong.
What the heck?
That's why you guys gotta make sure I don't screw up.
Okay.
And so 3 times 2, and then y is just negative 2, so that's plus negative 2. And 6 plus negative 2 is 4. So 4 equals 4, so we're good so far. Now what do I do, Christiana? Same thing in the other equation. X minus 3y equals negative 4. We're testing it. So 2 goes in here, minus 3 times negative 2 equals negative 4. Negative 3 times negative 2 should be positive 6, or is positive 6. And 2 plus 6 is 8 equals negative 4. Did you get that, Christian?
For what?
What do you mean for what?
Number 2?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I got that.
So what's the answer?
What's the solution?
All right, just give me like maybe half your attention. Maybe not all of it. But I'm just gonna go with half. All right. It's not, if it doesn't equal each other, it's not a solution.
Oh, I just saw.
Not a solution. Okay, for that one. Preston, how about number 3? Is it a solution or no?
C.
C? Okay, we're going Espanol.
Wait.
No, I said.
Josh?
I said no.
You said no? Which one didn't it work in? Which equation doesn't it work in?
You want to go through it?
Why? That's kind of what I'm asking you. So like if it is a solution, it works for both of them. If it's not a solution, then it doesn't work for one of them. Is there one of these 2 equations it doesn't work for? Since you said it's not a solution.
Number 2, the second one.
The second one. All right, so 2x minus y equals 7. That's 2 times 3 minus negative 1. Minus a negative 1 becomes a plus. So I got 7 equals 7. So I think Preston's right. I think Preston's right. All right, 4. Solution. Sam, what do you think?
I think it's not a solution.
You say no? Which one doesn't it work for?
The first one.
All right, so you really got to watch your negatives. This is where people do get messed up. Negative x plus y equals 6. All right, that negative is in front of the x, so you are plugging in negative 1. So it's minus negative 1 plus 5. Minus negative 1 should be a 1. And so I get 1 plus 5 equals 6. I get 6 equals 6 there.
Oh.
What did you get?
I got 31 equals 6.
31?
Oh, I know what I did wrong. I accidentally multiplied something when I wasn't supposed to multiply.
Woo. All right. Does it work for the second one? Amanda?
Yeah.
So you got it as a solution?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I think it's a solution. All right. Well, this is the time to make your mistakes. Evan, what did you get for number 5?
I didn't write down a solution for some reason.
What did you write down?
The slope.
The slope.
Yeah, that was.
All right. Brett, what did you get for your answer for number 5?
-6, -3.
He says -6, -3.
I got -2.
Whoops. Well, here's what you do is you graph, whoa,
What was it, 2-1?
I got 2-1. All right, now here's it says solve the system. What you have to do is you have to graph these two. And then you see where they cross. And this is what we're looking for. Mr. Schlur, you know what? If I gave, I must have done a really bad job yesterday. Because nobody knows what the heck's going on.
I know how to do that.
Can
I do number
Said
6?
one line graph for number 5.
I have,
Really?
I have negative 2.
I have 2 lines.
I have 2 lines.
Yeah.
Can I do number 6? I didn't do
My
it.
point's on the other side of the.
You'll get him a chance here. All right, so 2-1, you graph y equals 1/2 x, which means it has +0, which means the y-intercept is 0. So that means you go up 1 over 2 to get that first line. -x plus 3 means it has a y-intercept of 3, and you go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So you get 3. So we want to see where they cross. And then when you solve the system, that's the whole point, is to find where they both cross. So it is 2-1 would be the solution to that system. All right, how about 6? Morgan, you got an answer for 6?
No.
No? Did you graph them?
Yeah.
But
Connect.
they don't connect
No.
at all. Oh, Josh, you had a hand up.
0-2.
And how about Preston, you agree?
No, I think it's 1
He
That's
thinks,
what I got.
What?
what? Josh, they're calling you out, and they are right.
Thank you, Josh.
Get out of here.
Yours didn't hit at all, Morgan?
No.
Nice job.
I don't know what I did.
I don't either.
I did.
Okay. Now for this one here, you got to make this -2x plus 1. You got to get y by itself, so it's a negative slope. It is that's why we did it on graph paper, to make sure that you you weren't just estimating, that you had it exactly.
Yeah. Mine didn't connect either.
Well, it connects, but just somewhere else.
Yeah.
And there's a question of, does it connect, or does it connect where you can see it? Unless they're parallel, they have to connect somewhere. All right, 7. Mandy, you got an answer for 7?
-4, 7.
She says -4, 7. Bingo. Good work. Good work. -4, 7. So make sure you convert this to y equals, well, it is y by itself, but I just flipped the order. -2x minus 1. So there's the -1. Go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And then -x plus 3, that's a slope of -1. So you start at 3, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay. All right, now those of you who didn't do it, I'm going to give you a chance to get it back, get your points back. And those of you who did it, you're going to get a chance for a little extra credit.
Extra credit, let's go.
Let's
All right, I
go.
want to give you 2 systems. You're going to graph them. I'm going to give you graph paper.
We just use the back of ours. Make your life easy.
Nope, because you're going to get a half a sheet here. You're going to do one on the front and one on the back.
I work for it.
Well, then I got more.
Back on Tuesday.
For basketball, so I can grab it.
Yes.
Cool.
I'm so smart.
I did. Pantera. Lincoln. Chester Bennington. He wasn't. He was like the. Yeah, I got it. He's a golden tower. It's like the golden tower medal.
Any more?
They're like Lincoln Park's like the creed of new metal.
No, dude. Okay, take that back. That was offensive.
No, it's not. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you heard the song? Nobody's listening.
What are the two problems?
You heard the song Granola?
Canadian one. What's the code? He said one.
Mr. Bebop, are you recording?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, you want
All right. Here they are. Here's your two systems. Do this on your own. You can use your notes. You can use
I don't need no notes.
your book. I don't care. You get them both right, I'll take off a 0 of one of your homeworks. And if you get them both right, you have no zeros, but you get them both.
Yes.
There's
I have so many.
back, Joe.
That's not okay.
Shh, quiet though.
We have to graph too.
That is the whole point.
How do you want to do it? Do you want us to do it like this or like this?
God.
Whatever works for you, Jack.
Wait, what's the?
Solve the systems by graphing.
Oh, shoot.
I was gonna solve with magic.
I was about to find the point, but there's already a point.
You better get working.
Biggest
I'm
crap
working.
ever.
Why?
Can you put one on the front, one on the back?
Option 2A, which is like, they should call it the one sequel. Like, literally, I think the first section, you do like writing things and setting them up and everyone that that's the last one. But only stuff that we do. Section. And if you get
I shouldn't be working yeah.
What's that? To get us there? Something there. Yeah, once you sit back here and bring in a vote. Get as far as you can. Yeah, that.
Question.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's anything you want. Yeah. I'll give you like free access to everything.
I use the teacher.
Yes. Done. That would help. Yeah. Is this right? I'm not sure which one. This what's the line or something? You're right on, you grab. No, that's not how you do it. You start and then you get break. Then you do the slope. Maybe not. What's that?
Yeah, it's the same thing. I just forgot to write the
You got
point.
names? You ready? Is there names or something? You want a name on it so you can get credit?
I'm gonna stick my hand through this thing.
Yes.
Right, this thing's
Those are the
fine.
easy ones, just throw them in the trash.
I'm ready.
Alright, I got one.
Alright, let's done. Well, we got another one with no name on it, we don't have to give them any credit for
Wait,
it.
can I have it back, please?
Oh, you want it back? Oh, okay, identify it. Got a question? Amanda. You got 2 minutes. I'll give you 3 minutes. I'll give you 3. Yeah.
That was easy.
You're done, though, be quiet. Be quiet. Alright, Jordan, you're not allowed to ask your people in the class.
Can't tell you, sorry.
Kind of like, I've seen what you know. You're not using notes, you're not using book, you're not allowed to use Christian.
What? What did I do? I'm smart.
No, that's when you just check it. graph. Well, you get y by itself Chapter 6, section 1, what was it, 386?
Yeah.
386. Maybe actually like 384.
Finished?
Don't have my name on
I just got that too.
Hey, if you're done, pull your computers out and open and go to the Algebra 1 homepage. Pull your computers out, go to the Algebra 1 homepage. And
You want to send
oh, those of you who still working, you got 30 seconds.
We're gonna push it out. Push it. It's not hard.
Hey, Christmas is starting to make me have a little one.
Graphing? Graphing for a while.
I think I can give you the whole period.
Not much changes.
It's not hard at all. Just plug in the.
12-9.
12-9.
Hey, don't make fun of me.
Jesus, I need to be 12-9.
You could simplify it.
Alright, let me have what you got.
It's not gonna be.
Zero.
Is that it? What?
3 and -2.
Oh, we got phone call, that phone.
You're long one.
No.
Or not one, unknowable. You got rid of the starter.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Is that for attendance?
Yes.
Alright, I'll put it up right now. Jordan Collins not here, Jay Lee's not here.
What do you mean you thought we ranked one over Michael? Okay, that's. Like which ball? Lonzo. LaMelo got drafted. Dude, I don't know that. He's like unknown.
Alright,
He's not good at basketball.
I'm gonna make your life a little bit easier, go to the homepage. And so, Algebra 1.
He's still good, man.
Now, when you are absent or anything else, Evan, also, you can go, if you see these slides, you can go backwards to other days or other weeks. Okay, so you can go back to November 9th, and that you can click on those dates and give you, the notes for the day, the video for the day, and the assignment. So you can do that. You can access all those slides. Now, right underneath there, it says Desmos Graphing Calculator. Kate, get your computers out. You guys need them.
I'm on my phone. Can I not be on my phone?
I don't know.
You can do it on your phone.
Right. Easier to do on your.
Probably easier to do on your computer. All right, so you're gonna go to the Desmos Graphing Calculator. this is what you will have available to you on the state test, which we'll take in March or April. What, you need to go down and over here. Yeah, that's right there. Okay, so now this one, you, like I said, you will have access to this. One thing, if you on the side, and it doesn't show it, but you see this little keyboard? All right, this is not like imperative, but it's a little bit handy. It'd be nice if it would pop up. Well, there it is. Because we're going to input equations and then see. So this will graph equations for you. So if I go into y and I put y equals 2x, it's going to graph it. Okay, and it's going to give you the y-intercept, which is 0, and it's going to give you the slope, which is 2. Now you got to watch the scale because they changed the scale. Not everything is 1 unit. Okay, not everything. And you can change that by zooming in or zooming out, and you can do that here with the minus and the plus. Okay, for that. And so what we can do is we can graph more than one equation on here. So if I graph y equals negative 3x plus, I don't know, 6. Do those two lines cross? Yeah. There's the answer to your system. Okay, now if you click on this point, now it's not a perfect, like it's not whole numbers, but that is the answer to the system. Okay, so that's all you got to do. Now, let's take a look here. Let's see if I can do this. I only want half of it. Okay. There we go. All right, so let's take a look. So these are the ones you just did. Let's see what the answers are, see if you got them right. So the first one says y equals 2x minus 3. So type that in. So y equals 2x minus 3. The next one, let's see, I hit the delete button. To put in a fraction, where is that? Oh, I think if you just hit 2 divided by.
Yeah, on your keyboard, and you just hit 2 divided
2
by.
divided by, and then it'll make it a fraction. 3, you got to hit the right arrow key. Then so to get out of the denominator, you put in an x, and then you hit plus 1. Whoop, where'd it go? Plus 1. Now it says these hit. It says it hits at 3, 3. So that was your answer. You were right. Go and hit your 3, 3. Now the second one is negative 3x plus 2y equals 12. What did you have to do in order to graph it? You had to get y by itself, didn't you? You don't have to on this one, which is kind of nice. So I can type in negative. Do I have a negative button or is it just the minus sign? Negative 3x plus 2y equals 12. And it'll graph it. Okay. And then for the second one, x plus 2y equals 4. And they hit at negative 2, 3. Get that for your second answer? Okay. So if you get that for your second answer, then you are correct. You are correct. So now you will have access to this. Now it's not, you still got to know how to do some of the other stuff. It's not like you'll be able to just solve everything by typing it in there and give you the answer. But for some of these problems, it will be very nice to have. All right, so we just want to solve some systems by Desmos. You're already at that calculator. I'll keep that tab up. All right, type in those two. See what the solution is. Type in those two. Whoops, where'd it go? Whoa, what did I just put up here? Hold on. What was that?
That was fancy. Whatever it was.
I know, what was that? We used to have a nice little grapher thing on there, but I thought with the latest update, it went away. Huh.
They don't touch.
Alright. They don't touch?
And they do.
Okay. If they touch, that is the answer. If they touch, that is the answer. Alright, and so what is it, -1, -3, is that, or is it -2, -3? So -1, -3, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for that one, all you gotta do is type them in. You do not need to get y by itself, so take a look at these two, y equals x plus 1 and 4x plus y equals 6. Type those in,
I just deleted it.
okay, 4x. Now you can use your keypad as well.
I can't open. I tried opening here, but it just took me.
Sorry, go back. You try to open it. Where?
Um,
That's not where you gotta go back down. We are on this right there.
Oh.
That's right. Yep, that's right.
Oh, then it's not open. Right, okay.
Alright, so now we're good. Josie, yep, you got it.
I got the answer. 1, 2.
Alright, now where's they hit at? 1, 2? And now you can test it by plugging in, oh, you got it right there? 1, 2.
Looks good.
Okay, so hey, life's easy. Life's easy. Alright, see what you get for this one.
You just said life is not.
We give you the tools to do it without this
Yeah.
fancy graphing calculator. Best rock band ever. Yeah. Lateralis, change your life, boy.
-7, 3. Jordan, how did you get 9, 12?
Huh?
How did you get 9, 12? How did you get 9, 12? How could you do that? That's like,
Yeah.
that's like impossible. to get 9, 12.
Christian, I really don't know.
Alright, did you get an answer?
No.
No?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
-7, 3.
-7, 3? So we get x plus 6y equals 11, and 2x plus 3y equals -5, and -7, 3. All right, hey, that's it. Like, you got this sucker. Life's easy. All right, you got 6 problems to do. Do these 6. You are done for the week. You can eat some turkey tomorrow. Don't worry about Algebra 1. Use your graphing calculator for these. You should have done it right now. Yeah, boy. Just get these done.
Like such a swag.
Ain't got no trip, dog.
Yes, use your graphing calculator for these.
You got no chip, dog. Like, help me, boy. Film me.
Why have
In the streets, you ain't get popped in it. Here, I'll just tell you the answer, man.
And Brett, here's your quiz back.
-2. Let me see. I got 38 now. Yeah, I heard you good.
All right, well, that's what you're gonna have to spend some time doing. Some of the lessons that you weren't able to get done. Yep.
you go.